This video will explain the setup of cashiers and users on the system. Go to the menu. Within Setup, click on Cashiers and Users. Within this page you can see existing cashiers and users. You should already have 2 basic users set up on first arrival of this page. Click New. This opens details that you need to fill out for your particular user. Insert a name. The telephone number will either be an extension number or the standard business number. If you do not have individual email addresses, enter a made-up email address. As long as this is unique, it will still work. You can set the security level for the user. Click on Help to view the different security levels, describing the different levels and what they entail. Click on How To Documentation. This will open up another tab to our How To site. Type in Security in the search function. This will take you to an article that tells you about the different security levels. The administrator has the highest privileges. Select the store that this user will be working from. The PIN enables quick switching between transactions. Click Active and Update to save. Once the user is updated, it will appear amongst other users on the system. Click Set Password to create a password for that user. On completion, the Valid Password button will be ticked. There is no delete function for cashiers and users. If you need to remove a user, click on the Edit button. Untick the active tick box to block a particular user from accessing the system. Click Update.